Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will show you guys a really cool simple plugin which lets you disable the lock screen on your PS Vita. So as soon as you turn it on, you won't be at the lock screen like this. It will just boot you straight into your LiveArea. So this is pretty cool. It was requested by somebody in the comment section. So if you guys want to do this, what you want to do is just go ahead and open up Vita Shell. When it loads, just press select, connect your PS Vita to your PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so on your PC I will leave a link in the description, and the program is called NoLockScreen. So as you can see, it's an SUPRX file, so to download it all you want to do is click it. You can either get this version or version 2, so I'm going to actually get the latest version 2. It's a slightly larger file, but there's nothing really in it. So once that's finished downloading, just head over to your PC's downloads folder. Here where you'll find the plugin. All you want to do is just copy it, go onto your PS Vita, make sure hidden files are enabled, and you're looking for the TAI folder. Go inside of that and just right click and paste it in here. So that is it for the PC. Now I'll show you guys how to get the plugin working. Alright guys, so back on your PS Vita, what you want to do is just go into your UXO folder, then scroll down and you're looking for your TAI folder. Now basically guys, if your config.txt is in this folder, then you can just go into it. Mine is actually in my URO, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press triangle, go to copy, and I'm going to copy this file into my URO instead of my UXO. So then I go into the TAI folder, press triangle and then do paste. Now what you want to do is just go into your config. This could be on the UXO or URO, it really doesn't matter. Scroll down all the way to main, then get to this line of text here, press right on the D-pad to make a new line, and then press X to edit it. So what I'm going to do is just type it in, and you guys can pause the video and just copy it down. Okay guys, so make sure it looks exactly like that. So URO or UXO .tai/NoLockScreen _ version 2, or if you got version 1, and then SUPRX. So then what you want to do is just click the arrow down here. It's then going to look like that. Just press circle to go back and press X to save. Now what you want to do, just press circle to go all the way back to the main menu. Now all you want to do is press start, go down to reboot, and then press X. So as you can see, the lock screen is still on, but that's because we need to launch the h-encore update. So we're just going to scroll down to it and start it. Now we can just exit it again. Now what you can do is turn off your PS Vita. Now turn it back on again. And as you can see, no lock screen. So this thing is really cool actually. I actually kind of like it. So let's just say you want to go on this screen. I'm pretty sure you can even just turn it off, then turn it back on, and you're straight into LiveArea. So I'm pretty sure it works with like an application as well. Let's just start theme, turn it on, turn it off, turn it back on. There you go, you're still in the app. So that is how you do it. Actually pretty cool. If you don't really like the lock screen, just find it annoying every time, this is, a really nice small plugin to install. So that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.